The Ancient Kilns and Folk Customs Expo Area, Jingdezhen Tour. Let us continue to explore the rest parts of Jingdezhen, the Ancient Kilns and Folk Customs Expo Area. The expo lies in the downtown of the city Jingdezhen. It is a ceramic-themed park. This 5A national park mainly demonstrates the Chinese intangible cultural heritage. This expo requires a ticket to be purchased at a cost of $14 per person. There are two areas in this park. One part is the Ancient Ceramic Kilns, another part is Folk Ceramic Customs Expo. The expo area is a large landscape site. It is a living museum, including museums, workshop and demonstration bases. There are two primary display areas. One is exhibition of historic kilns and another one a display of local folk ceramics. Visitors can see ancient kilns and styles from the Song through the Qing dynasties, including revived ancient kilns, and there are teams of staff demonstrating how they were once used. They can also be able to see exquisite reproductions of Jingdezhen porcelains from the 15th and 16th centuries. Some of the buildings here date from the Ming and Qing dynasties, although some of them have been rebuilt. What can people see in the area of ancient kilns? There is a clear presentation of wood-firing kilns, such as Lion Kiln of the Qing dynasty, Town Kiln of the Qing dynasty, Gourd Kiln of the Ming dynasty, Steamed Bun Kiln of the Yuan dynasty, Dragon Kiln of the Song dynasty. You will also have opportunity to tour the Temple of God of Kiln, Tanging Memorial Hall. The Tanging Memorial Hall introduces the history and life of Tanging, the pottery inspector in Jingdezhen during the Qin dynasty. You may like to walk through the Hongyan store. Hongyan literally means red store. It is a ceramic gift store that mainly sells Jingdezhen souvenir porcelains. What is more, there are a number of workshops in the scenic area where visitors can pay a small fee and get the opportunity to participate in ceramics production. This opportunity may help visitors better understand the culture of ceramics. What can people see in the exhibition area of ceramic folk customs? There are 12 historic buildings dating back to the Ming and Qing dynasties in this area. Ming Yuan literally means Ming Garden. It is composed of 8 ancient buildings, including ancestral halls and ancient residences. Since 1987, the ancient houses had been carefully relocated from their original villages to the Ming Garden area to ensure that they are preserved for future generations to appreciate. As you walk through these houses, you'll travel through time and gain a unique and authentic look at life during the Ming dynasty over 700 years ago. Qingyuan literally means the Qing Garden. You will find 4 ancient Qing dynasty buildings. These ancient dwellings were carefully relocated from the original villages to the museum area and preserved, allowing visitors to experience the authentic Qing dynasty architecture. By exploring these historical buildings, you can truly immerse yourself in the world 500 years ago. Ceramic Tablet Corridor. Walking in the expo area, people seem to have been isolated from the outside world for a long time. The perfect fusion of ancient civilization and modern civilization allows people to experience the profound ceramic culture. A leisurely stroll along the ceramic calligraphy gallery in the beautiful garden is a great way to relax. Pavilion of Ceramic Musical Instruments. The tourists can appreciate musical performances by ceramic instruments in the pavilion on the lake. Do you know how these ceramic instruments are made? In 1985, the ceramic music band successfully developed the new ethnic percussion by porcelain, adopting ceramic plates as its main material. This set of ceramic musical instruments was exquisitely made by adopting top-quality clay and according to the requirements of musical instrument technology. Additionally, this invention has won China national invention. Silver medal was granted by the Ministry of Culture. What does it sound like? When it is played, it makes clear and sweet sound. It has a pure and beautiful sound, moderate range and volume. Let us enjoy a melody of the porcelain musical instruments.